in the DC's office. That also we have seized, but we have sent it not for forensic, etc. So that even mobile of the DC has been seized, and that note has been sent for not examination. That is the status note as of now.
Other day, while dictating the orders, you intervened and made submission before the court that you are going to place the documents before the court. Where is those documents?
But
where are those documents?
Can I make one submission? But this happened is not, as Lords are aware, there is a batch of petitions that are pending before the division bench. But there was an order that was passed in that matter. But I just placed the order sheet. That matter.
Yeah. One second.
ತಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Division bench ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಬಾರದು ಅಂತ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಕೊಡಬಾರದು ಅಂತಲ್ಲ.
Is there any bar?
I'm only trying to say that.
Is there any bar?
There is no bar as such, but the scope I'm only making a request. I understand passed an order. My apologies I said that instructions that we will.
You are here to protect the culprits or you are protect the interest of the general public. You being an officer of advocate of the ACB. ACB is constituted to prevent the corruption. You are here to protect the people who are tainted with or are under the helm of affairs. You are here to protect such people or you are appointed as special counsel to prevent the corruption or not. That's why other day you made some mentioning before the court. That's why I came up with the judgments of Supreme Court, Constitutional Court. This is not the way of you are paid with the public money.
Yes.
The special enactment brought into force with an intention to prevent the corruption in the whole society, which is a cancer. Instead of allowing to reach the fourth stage, which is not curable, at the first stage or in the second stage, it should be cured. That is the only reason when I dictating the order to place the material before the court, you intervened, given an undertaking before the court that you are going to place all the materials before the court. Now you are making submission that matter is pending before the division bench. I know matter is heard from last 15 days. Yourself and state government representing counsel, both went there and made the submission. You are going to place those documents in the division bench in order to avoid this bench. Now you are making submission before this court.
But
this is you are paid from state exchequer. You are here to protect the interests of the institution and not to support the people who are indulging in this. You said you have recorded the statement of accused number 1 and 2.
Yes.
Have you seized the file appointment of the accused number 2? Who has appointed him? Who has appointed him to collect the money? An amount of rupees 5 lakhs on behalf of the deputy commissioner. Who has appointed? A2 who received the amount of rupees 5 lakhs. Get the records. I will summon the records from present deputy commissioner who has passed an order for appointing him. He was appointed only for collection. This is the way things are going on. Now you are standing before the court. You are going back with the undertaking even before this court. That's why I asked you whether any bar in not placing the document before this court as you have undertaken. This court wants an answer from you. Have you seized that document?
Those documents, the officer has summoned it.
ನೀವು ಅವನ ಯಾರು ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ರಿಯಲ್
ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಲೆಟರ್ ಬರ್ದಿದಾರಂತೆ.
ಲೆಟರ್ ಬರೆಯೋದ್ ಬೇಡ, ನಾನೇ ಸಮನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ able to get those documents, don't support such people. ತಿನ್ನ ಅನ್ನ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ರೀ, you are paid from the out of public's money.
Yes.
This court has taken initiative to summon such people, that those people should not be. You are going to the extent of you and state. Voluntarily gone before the division bench and made submission that you may be permitted to place the records.
No.
Then why you are not preventing before this court? ಆಯ್ತು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನದ್ ನೀವು
this order directing us to file the status report was not ordered way back.
ಕೊಡಿ status report ಕೊಡಿ. If you are not having, I have the report. How many of cases you have filed? We report, even red-handedly caught with the money, bribe money. If you are not having, I will summon with the details of those documents. I will pass judicial order and also a threat to this court saying that one of the judge has been transferred. I am ready. Even I am ready to face that also at the cost of public cost. And your ADGP is so powerful, and some person spoken to one of our High Court judge came and sat with me, and he says, giving an example of transferring of one of the judge to some other district. I will not hesitate to mention the name of a judge also. He came and sat by the side of me, and there is a threat to this court. I am going to protect the independence of judiciary at the cost of my judgeship. This should not happen. I will record the same in the order itself. This should not. You people are encouraging such people, state government as well as you are here to protect the institution. You are here to protect the institution, not to do all these things. ಸೊಸೈಟಿಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ. ನೀವು ತಿನ್ನ ಅನ್ನ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಜನರ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮನಿ. ನನಗೇನ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೂ ನನಗೇನ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೂ ಏನ್ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಒಂದ್ ಇಂಚ್ ಜಾಗನೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪನ ಆಸ್ತಿನ 4 ಎಕರೆ ಮಾರಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಐ ಬಿಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಜಡ್ಜ್. ವೈ ಶುಡ್ ಐ ಹೆಸಿಟೇಟ್? ಇದು ರೋಗ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್. 4ನೇ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ತಡಿಬೇಕಿದ್ನ. 4th ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. I will bell the cat even at the cost of my judgeship. This should not. Now you are going back with your undertaking given by this court saying that unless you produce it, I will summon those documents by judicial order. When I dictated the order, you intervened at the instance of your IO and made given an undertaking before the court that you are going to produce all these documents. Why you are hiding? If the state government and your ACB is not culprits, then why you are hiding all this? 5 ಕೋಟಿ 10 ಕೋಟಿ ಹಿಡಿದವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಹಂಗಂಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಳ್ಸೋದು. Why you are hiding? I will summon. I have the powers. That's why I came up with judgments. Other day you mentioned that you have to shut your eyes only regarding this bail petition. That's why I have come up with judgments, even at the cost of my judgeship also. I will summon. Produce ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Otherwise now I will summon the DPR secretary. Let him place the documents of AGP service record, ADGP service record. I will summon right now. And then you summon I will summon the state government. You instruct deputy commissioner who is in charge to produce the document for having appointed accused number 2. When he was appointed, let him be before the court. I will pass an order at 2:30. You get him and also instruct state government produce the service records of ADGP before the court. Deputy secretary or secretary to the DPR produce the ADGP service records before the court. ತಿನ್ನ ಅನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ದ್ರೋಹ ಬಗಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಮನಮೋಹನ್, ತಿನ್ನ ಅನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ದ್ರೋಹ ಬಗಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. This court taken the issue only in the public cause, but you are here to You have to, public cause. Public cause ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. Not for any individual sake. ನಿಮ್ಗೇನೋ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ರಿ. And I know, you and Advocate General went and made the submission after reserving the matter before the division bench. And now you are placing the document. Is there any bar? That's why I'm asking you. When this court has directed you.
I'm sorry, my lords, I've got a factually incorrect information. Kindly permit me to pass on the order sheet.
Order sheet ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತ್ರಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಬೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು.
Order sheet ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ತರಿಸ್ತಾ? ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ 1-1.5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಮುಗಿಯುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ತಾವು ನೋಡಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಸೀನೆ ಅದೇನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1ರಿಂದ 1:30 ಆಯ್ತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇಬ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ಆಯ್ತು, that's why I'm asking you any bar.
Kindly turn to page 5.
ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ, any bar in placing the.
1 minute. Kindly bear with me for a minute. Kindly turn to page 5. This is the order sheet in those petitions.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಳೇದು.
ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ serial number 12 ತಾವು ನೋಡಿ. ಅದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು serial number 12 ನೋಡಿ. Order dated 19/12/2019.